By the end of this video, you will know how to add a deduction in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to People. This opens the area where employee records are stored and where you can make changes to an individual employee's payroll details. From the People section, select the employee you want to add a deduction for. Make sure you open the correct employee profile before moving forward, since the deduction will be attached to that specific person's pay settings. Inside the employee profile, open the Pay tab. This is where you can review and update payroll items connected to that employee, including deductions. Scroll down until you find a section for garnishments or custom deductions. In that area, click Add. This opens the setup options for creating a new deduction on the employee's record. Next, choose the deduction type. You will see the option to add either a garnishment or a custom deduction listed as post-tax. Select the one that matches the deduction you need to create. If you choose garnishment, continue through the form using the garnishment option shown on screen. If you choose custom deduction or post-tax, you will need to enter a few details before saving. Begin with the description field. Enter a label that identifies what the deduction is for. This name helps distinguish it from other payroll items on the employee's account. After that, choose whether the deduction should be recurring or one-time. A recurring deduction will continue to apply in future payroll runs until it is changed or removed. A one-time deduction applies only once, then select how the deduction should be calculated. You can set it as a percentage of pay or as a fixed amount. Percentage of pay means the withheld amount will be based on the employee's pay each time payroll runs. Fixed amount means the same set amount will be withheld according to the deduction schedule you selected. Once that is in place, enter the amount to withhold. Make sure the amount matches the deduction setup you intend to use, especially if you selected percentage versus fixed amount. If the deduction needs a limit for the year, enter an annual maximum as well. If no annual cap applies, leave that field as needed based on what Gusto allows in the form. Before finishing, review the deduction details on screen. Check the deduction type, description, recurrence setting, calculation method, amount to withhold, and annual maximum if one was added. When everything looks correct, click Save. The deduction is now added to the employee's pay settings in Gusto.